Hello guys, welcome to our channel Live Jobs Info. Today I got a new job notification for you. Before we get into the video, I request you to please subscribe to get daily job updates and watch the video till the end so that you will be able to get the complete overview of this job. Okay, so we are here to provide you the genuine job notification so that you will be able to apply instantly so that you won't miss any job opportunities, so that you will be able to apply and crack any of the interviews and crack any of the jobs. So now let us see how to apply for Cognizant. Cognizant is hiring for graduate training for freshers. Before getting into the video, I request you to please subscribe and also please check the other notifications also. As we can see here, Siemens is hiring for graduate training for freshers. Amazon is hiring, Mindtree, Accenture, TCS, Dell, HP, Genpact, EPAM. There are so many job opportunities for both experienced and fresher guys. And please comment in the description, like in the comment box, so that we will be able to help you with the complete details of any of the job. Like comment as a full stack developer or Python developer, like that, so that we will be able to prepare more videos on particular that type of job descriptions. And also please subscribe so that you will be able to get instant notifications and apply easily whenever we will provide a new job notification, so that you won't miss any last date things, concerns and all. I have seen so many people will be watching these videos after completion of the last dates, so even they watch, it is not useful for them. So I request you to please subscribe to our channel so that you will get instant notifications, and I request you to please apply as soon as possible for any of the job opportunities so that you won't miss any of the opportunities. Okay, so I hope you will do that. You will comment and subscribe. Okay, now let us get into the video. So here we can see that Cognizant is hiring for off campus. In order to apply for this job, please visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com, or else you can also find the link in the description. So here we can see that Cognizant is hiring for off campus for freshers. Now let us see what exactly this Cognizant is. Cognizant is an American MNC company that provides business consulting, information technology and outsourcing services. It is headquartered in Teaneck, New Jersey, United States. Cognizant is a part of NASDAQ 100 and trades under CTSH, Cognizant Technology Solutions Corporation. Corporation is a provider of custom information technology, consulting and technology services, as well as outsourcing services for global 2000 companies located in North America, Europe and Asia. Always strive, never settle is the motto of Cognizant. And for the second year running, Cognizant has ranked among the 25 happiest companies in America across industry segments. Cognizant is 12 among Career Bliss 50 happiest companies in America for 2014 with a Bliss score of 404 on a scale of 5. Application services and modernization, artificial intelligence, process automation, quality engineering and assurance security are their mottos. And Cognizant CEO is Brian Humphries, received a total compensation of $13.8 million in 2020. According to the company's 2021 proxy statements filing on the US section, it is less than the $15.9 million he received in 2019. Cognizant is good if you join it as a fresher. You will get a project in the beginning if you are lucky. Otherwise you will be benched for long period of time. And Accenture, Wipro, Deloitte, HCS, Deloitte are the competitors for Cognizant. And this is what about the Cognizant. As all of us know that Cognizant is a very good company. By this we are able to know it is a very great company. Like it is offering huge packages and all, as all of us know. And I request you to please join in any of these groups, WhatsApp group, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube groups, so that you will be able to get complete job descriptions and be able to apply. Now let us see what exactly this job description says. Work in partnership with various business domains like banking, finance, insurance, communications, media, retail, healthcare, life sciences, technology, consulting, etc. Provide expert solutions on infrastructure, applications, hardware and software installations and work inquiries. Accountable for gathering information through client conversation and ensuring optimal resolution to maintain business agreed timelines and resolve issues within the timeline. and engage in business interactions with the end users to provide the innovative approach, evaluate the critical needs of the users and provide quality deliverables to enhance user satisfaction, clarify user queries and work collaboratively to ensure there is no business impact, using high level of problem solving and critical skills to engage in time bound tasks, industry standard business hours with rotational shift to support global customers, delivery locations across India, encouraging relocation based on business requirement. Experience needed is like 0 to 2 years. Like if you have a fresher, if you are a fresher, just apply. And even if you have 1 year or 2 years, also you can apply. Like year of passed out should be like 2019, 20, 21, and they are offering salary of 2.52 LPA, and eligibility is 3 years of graduate program, and location is in India, anywhere in India, like pan India. So 50% in 10th inter diploma UG, no standard standing areas, max gap between is 2 years, PG is not eligible. Last date to apply is December 25th 2021. In order to apply, just click on this official notification. Just click on this, you will be redirected to the website, and I request you to please apply through it. You will be able to get the complete details. So let us wait. It is getting redirected, and let's say we need to wait for this. So yeah, here we can see the complete details, like customer support, customer or technical support, information technology. Job functions are like, you just go through the complete details, you can find all these things, and just click on this apply now option, enter your email ID. Yeah, so just click on this apply now option, you need to enter your email ID, then click on next, and you will be redirected to the next steps. And I request you to please enter all your details, and it may ask your resume also. Just fill the complete details, and deadline to complete this application is 31st December 2021 11 p.m. So I request you to please subscribe, and please apply for this, so that you will be able to get the complete details. And just go through our website www.livejobsinfo.com for more job details, and please visit through the link present in the description, so that you will be able to get the complete job details, and so that you will be able to apply. And the salary package is 2.52 for this particular job. There are so many huge package jobs also there, like Siemens, Amazon, Mindtree, etc. So just go through a website, you'll be able to get the complete details. And I hope this video helps you a lot, and please comment below what type of jobs you need. Yeah, that's all from my end. Stay safe, stay positive, keep smiling, keep learning. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.